Hello, Robbie Susan Chandler here from RobbieSusansCardsandCrafts.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator who lives in Quincy, Florida, right outside Tallahassee, Florida. I hold classes in my home, and if you live in the area, I would love for you to come over and attend one sometime. But today I want to share a card with you made with the gorgeous bundle called Memorable Blooms that's on page 50 in our little mini catalog. It's this set here. And the item number is 164826, and with our 10% discount on bundles it's $55.75. But let's look at the card, and here's the card. Isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. I love this card. And here's the inside, and I've got something else to share with you on this inside piece. But let's get started with the front and talk about all the pieces for the front. Oh, and before I get started, I want you to see my little tool caddy I'm selling now. And if you would drop me a comment in the bottom and with your email address, I can send you information on how to obtain one. They're $22, which includes the cost of postage. But they are so handy. You have all your supplies right there where you need them. Alright, moving on to our card. Get my little sign out of the way. Alright, our card base is Coastal Cabana. On this one it is anyway, and I'll explain why I'm saying on this one in just a second. But it's 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4, which is your halfway right there. So here's your card base. And then the next piece on top is a piece of basic white that's 4 by 5 1/4. Now I cut this piece out with the die from, let me turn this over, Memorable Blooms, and it's this die set, and it's this die right here, but you also have to use, it's this die, and it goes right here. Now what I did, I cut this and this little white filigree piece, oh, don't get hung up there. I cut these out at the same time. Let me move these and show you. So here's my white piece. You lay down your hexagon piece. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Octagon. And then you lay this in the middle. And then when you cut it, this piece will cut out at the same time you're cutting your opening. So that's how I got this piece. And that's how we get this opening. I don't know if you can see it because I've embossed this, but it leaves a little dotted design around the edge. So if I hadn't embossed it, that would show up better. Now I did emboss this piece with the Distress Tile embossing folder, and that's why it has this textured look. Okay, so let's see. Get some of these out of the way. So this you just basically glue down on the front, just like this. And that takes care of the front section. Now, the pretty piece right here in the middle, that is from this pack of paper, and it's called Pastel Ombre Glimmer Paper. Now it comes in 3 colors, this one, the one I used, and then the one I used for the leaf, this one. Now what you'll find out with this, if you can look at it, you see it's variegated. So here you've got a dark, and I believe it's Coastal Cabana on this side. They list on the back all the colors. In fact, let me turn it over and show it to you. This is the paper. But they list on the back all the ranges of colors. And this piece right here starts with Coastal Cabana, moves to Pool Party, and on the end is Balmy Blue. So when you're designing for a card class, it makes it a little interesting when you start trying to put these colors on the same card base. And I'll show you what I did in a minute. Alright, so I cut that piece with this die here, the same one we cut the opening with. And then I embossed it with the Happy Hibiscus embossing folder. And you see how much texture it gives it, isn't that gorgeous? So then after you do that, you just glue it right down to this, and I like to put it where those little flowers right there are peeking out of that opening. So you just glue that down, and then you put dimensionals on the back and just put it on your card just like that. So you see I've got that section popped up. Alright, now on the inside, this is a piece of 4 1/4 by 4, but this is another die set that I think is really pretty. It's called, it's 5 1/4 by 4, yeah. It's called Textured Notes. Let me open this up so you can see. Alright, here's my memorable blooms over here on this side, but you see all these pieces for the Textured Notes, and this is the one I used on this card. And look at the design. Let me get that off. You see the design that's in this piece? And every one has a different design that goes with it. And this is the smallest one right here. But I think this is a lovely set, and it's called Textured Notes, and it's on our online, one of our online exclusives. And I'll put links to all my supplies down below in the comments. Alright, so then I stamped on this one, and the colors I used on this card are Coastal Cabana for the sentiment and soft sea foam for my flower in the back. Now this one I made a happy anniversary, but here's the stamp set and here's the flower, and my original one is You've Been on My Mind. But I needed, I don't ever have any anniversary cards, so I decided, well, I'll make this one anniversary because it just looks like anniversary. And I'm going to make a few sympathy too. Alright, so here's our front, and we're going to add the flower, the leaf that I cut with another die from Memorable Blooms, and it just goes right along there. And then we cut a little butterfly from Beautiful Butterfly Dies. Now this is what I was talking about, the colors being different. Now you see this butterfly was cut with the balmy blue part, but when you put it on here with the Coastal Cabana, I felt like it didn't really match. So we actually took a Coastal Cabana marker and colored some of these so they would match. So then when you get that down, I just put it down here in this corner. And I use some of these old retire, they're called faceted gems. Use one of those to put right there in the middle of his wings. And then on the edges, these are still current, glossy dots assortment. And I use this color over here to dot some around. Now this is one done with Coastal Cabana. I decided to try one since I had the pieces cut, like this piece. This is with the Balmy Blue. I think it turned out really pretty. You see, this is the Balmy Blue in the back, and then the Balmy Blue butterfly on the bottom. Let me compare this to show you the difference in the two. Here we go. You can see the difference in the cardstock. So see, you can make a range of different color cards with that one sheet of paper. So we went from Coastal Cabana to Balmy Blue, and I'm going to try to make one too with the pool party. So here's my card for today. I hope you like it. If please like my video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. And if you need a demonstrator, I'd love to be your demonstrator. And I would love for you to be on my team too. So until next time, happy crafting.